Good morning students. Today we are going to perform test for protein and carbohydrates. As you know, some minerals are present in our food item. Some ingredient contains special type of materials like vitamins, proteins, carbohydrate, etc. which are necessary for our body, for development, for growth. These are called nutrients. So today two nutrients mainly, name one is carbohydrate, another is protein. For this we are going to perform chemical test in chemistry laboratory. Then you will come to know which material contains carbohydrate and which do not. Same way protein, as we know milk contains protein, दूध की शक्ति प्रोटीन में है, प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट है दूध में, तो है कि नहीं हमें क्या पता. So we have to check this today chemically. Same way some other pulses, dal, rice, wheat, potato, etc. contains which type of material. Let's see today how to do this test. Let me explain first on blackboard, then we can perform the chemical test. Okay, first is test for carbohydrate. Carbohydrate, which is also called as starch. Carbohydrate is also known as starch. Okay. Let us see first how this test is performed. For this test, we will take food material and we will add in this iodine solution, I2 solution, iodine solution. I2 is the formula for iodine. And these two mixture, food material and iodine solution, combinedly they give blue or black color. Blue or black color. If blue or black color is obtained, then our food item must contain carbohydrate. Blue black color indicating food item contains carbohydrate. Otherwise, carbohydrate is absent. Your food item is not containing carbohydrate if blue or black color is not obtained. Okay, this is the test for carbohydrate. Now, another test which we are going to perform today, it is test for protein. Test for protein. As you are aware that milk contains protein, egg yolk, meat, egg, milk, meat, etc. contains protein. Okay, so how to dal, pulses, milk. So source are milk, pulses, etc. Okay, animal product containing protein, as we know. So whether protein is present in milk, pulses and this item, we are going to check today. How to check this in laboratory? First, what we will take?
Copper sulfate and caustic soda.
फूड आइटम इसमें से कोई भी ले सकते हैं. अभी हमारे पास अवेलेबल है मिल्क एंड पल्सेस, दाल. इन दोनों का हम टेस्ट आज करने वाले हैं. फूड आइटम प्लस हम लेंगे इसमें NaOH सॉल्यूशन, NaOH. इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज caustic soda. और इसका नाम क्या रहेगा? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. तो वी विल टेक स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ फूड आइटम, NaOH solution, sodium hydroxide, in which it is also known as sodium hydroxide, plus we are going to add copper sulfate solution, CuSO4 solution. So we are going to mix these three things, food item in that sodium hydroxide solution, or it is also called as caustic soda, or you can say sodium hydroxide. These two we will add first. In that we will add copper sulfate solution. Okay, or you can do vice versa also. You can add food item into copper sulfate solution and then you can add sodium hydroxide solution. What result will come? If there are two possible results. If it will give purple color, violet or purple color is obtained, then your food material must contain protein. Otherwise, it do not contain protein. So, violet or purple color is obtained, which indicates what? Which indicates protein is present. Protein is present in our food item. Otherwise, protein is absent. Hello students, as you are aware, we are going to perform test for some food items like wheat, rice, potato, biscuit, dal, pulses, milk, etc. Let's check which food item we are having right now. We are having available this wheat. Wheat is there. We have rice. We have milk. We have potato. बिस्कुट, पल्सिस में दाल लाया है, दाल. And for this taste, as you know, we require iodine solution. Iodine solution for carbohydrate taste, only one solution is required, whereas this is copper sulfate and sodium hydroxide solution, which is required for the taste of remaining food item for protein particularly. Let's check one by one. ओके, हाँ चालू रखो, लेट्स चेक. परफॉर्म करते हैं. परफॉर्म करने से पहले थोड़े सेफ्टी मेजर्स लिख लेते हैं. वी कैन नॉट परफॉर्म डायरेक्टली टेस्ट, सो वी हैव टू टेक प्रिकॉशंस. सो दिस इज लैब कोट नोन एज एप्रॉन. ओके, लैब कोट इज मैंडेटरी, कंपल्सरी टू परफॉर्म केमिकल टेस्ट इन द केमिस्ट्री लेबोरेटरी. So, okay, then mask also, which students if we are performing, otherwise mask is not required. Okay, how to perform this test? Let's see, check. We have some test tube, come this side. Okay, we have some test tubes. Two students are there with me for support. Please come here this side. This is Rishabh Paliwal and Slok Sahu. Slok and this boy will help me. Please come this side. Okay. Let's start performing this test. What to do for this test? Take one test tube. Hold this test tube with the help of test tube holder. So, test tube holder now. We have to hold food and chemicals in test tube holder. इस साइड चलेगा, लेफ्ट साइड पड़ेगा, ऊपर लेफ्ट साइड, नीचे. Let's check first with the help of rice. टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर होल्ड करने के लिए, वो लकड़ी का है. टेस्ट ट्यूब होल्डर का मतलब क्या? होल्ड करने के लिए. हाँ बस लाओ. You have to hold test tube in this test tube holder so that we will not come in direct contact with the chemicals. Okay. we can add 1 or 2 drop of 1 or 2 pieces of wheat. Wheat is taken in this test tube. Better hold this. Okay. Now I will add iodine solution in this. What happened? Let us see. Okay, this is somewhat dark. I am going to add some water in this so that color came or not. With the help with wheat, we'll check and make it dilute. Okay, with direct wheat, it is not giving color. Okay, let's check with the help of biscuit. Biscuit which is made up of wheat only. Okay, I added some biscuit, pieces of biscuit. It turns black color. You can check here. Okay, let's make it dilute again. Can you observe here? At the bottom, powder of biscuit is settling, black color. Black color indicates biscuit contains protein. Let's try again, one more time. I am taking iodine solution in a small test tube. Let's make it somewhat dilute. Now I am adding, suppose this is rice. If rice is added in this, it is raw. You can check at the bottom, rice for this surface. I am putting this rice on the surface of this test tube. Let's check what is happening. You can check this. On this, rice became black color, right?
Yes.
Friends? And at the bottom you can check. I am removing iodine solution now, and then we can observe that rice becomes black color. Okay, I am adding water in this. It will become more visible. Okay. So in spite of removing iodine solution, your rice is a great source of carbohydrate. Rice में से सबसे ज़्यादा starch और carbohydrate मिलेंगे हमें. You can see this. Black color indicating rice must contain carbohydrate. Okay. Let's check it with potato. I am having potato, piece of potato, small piece of potato I am taking. Okay. Now let me check in another test tube what is going to happen with potato.
Shubham.
Continue taste with potato. I am taking some portion of potato. Okay, and we will add in this iodine solution. What is happening? Let's check it. If blue black color coming or not? What should happen? It should come or not? Let's add these pieces of potato. Okay, as you can see it turns blackish. Okay, और ये सरफेस पर जैसे सरफेस पर पोटैटो है इसके ऊपर आयोडीन डालेंगे क्या होता है? लेट्स चेक. You can see one drop only we added and it turns into black color. Black color came on potato pieces. It indicates what? Potato also contains starch. Okay, let's check with the piece of biscuit instead of powder. If I put dip this biscuit piece in this iodine solution, what is happening? Let's check. You can see here, biscuit part also turns blackish. Okay, so black color indicates biscuit also contains this carbohydrate. Entire solution turns black now. So potato also gives black color. So wheat, potato, rice, all are very good sources of carbohydrate. Now let's go for प्रोटीन. प्रोटीन के लिए हम मिल्क लाए हैं. ओके, मिल्क इन दिस. We have taken some milk in the test tube. Okay, now what to do? We will add copper sulfate solution in this. Copper sulfate is added, and then we will add sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, and allow it to settle for some time. Hold this for 2 minutes. We will add some concentrated sodium hydroxide also in this. Hold on. You can see we use sodium hydroxide pellets, and what happens, see, you can check here, it has given bluish violet color. Violet color indicates this milk must contain protein in it. So protein is present in this solution. Wait, hold this. Another test with dal, but dal is in solid form. We have to first crush it in mortar. Wait for 1 minute. What we are doing? We will paste this dal. First we will crush it in this. Okay. We will add some water drops. We will make paste like material. सारे टेस्ट 12th में आएंगे, 11th में आएंगे, तब जाके to crush these pulses to perform the test for protein. Grind it or mash it as it is mentioned in textbook. It is now ready to use. Okay. We'll add small amount of sodium hydroxide, 1 or 2 drop in this. put this distributor here. Now we are going to add copper sulfate solution in this. To wait for 2-3 minutes. Some violet color start appearing here. Let's add somewhat more sodium hydroxide. Okay, near the surface you can see violet color appears. White background is required to see this. So these two are the taste for protein. One with milk, another with dal. You can check here, violet color is appeared inner side of the test tube. Okay, this is taste for protein. And earlier we did taste with potato piece for carbohydrate. Another one is
Rice.
this is with rice. And this is also rice. Okay, so in all we perform with total 5 full ingredient, 5 full material. So once again let's revise. This is taste with rice for carbohydrate, rice plus iodine solution. This is rice plus potato or biscuit. In this also wheat. You can take wheat flour, that will give better